Okay guys, here is the bedroom. Sawyer moved out, went to college, and she has the bigger of the two rooms. It's still a pretty small to average size bedroom, 11 feet by 11 feet. And you could see the Billy bookcase I had to work with in there. So first step, I wanted to lighten up the shiplap, and I used Magnolia Home Paint in Americana Egg. It's a really nice kind of robin's egg blue, green. It's just a really nice tone, and I used a satin finish so that it's easy to wipe clean if we need to. Now, before I had a shelf up here, it was kind of a boho farmhouse look, so I took down the shelf, and to cover those holes, I'm just adding this piece of trim work. Now, Quinn loves birds, and so after buying several samples and just kind of wanting to stay neutral, I really like the high contrast of the black and white peel and stick, this goose or swan wallpaper, and it went up really well, so I'm really happy with that. My next project was putting together a second Billy bookcase and getting to a really cool IKEA hack for those. So I did a video of how all the steps that this involved, because painting IKEA furniture has a little trick, but basically I hacked the cabinet doors with some pole wrap for the bottom part, and then for the top part I just cut some MDF. I did a really nice simple arch, used my jigsaw, cut it out, put it all together. You'll see what those look like later, or check out the description for a direct link. I'm really happy with the Billy bookcase hack I did for these. It just really elevates the whole space. Now, this was kind of a side project I did in between things. I wanted a large pin board, so I got this pin board off Amazon, and I got these little half rounds from Amazon as well. I thought the tight bond glue would work. This was a total fail. They started popping off, almost all of them. If you don't put enough glue, they're not going to adhere to that smooth border. So I just used glue gun. It was perfect. It worked. So skip this glue step. Glue gun was much faster drying time. Now, the coolest part of this bedroom besides the focal wall is the bed. Now, this bed is amazing. I laid out all the pieces, put it together all by myself in just under 2 hours, and I was a little intimidated with this part. It's a lift bed, so all of this that I'm sitting in is going to be storage. It was so easy. The instructions were great. I didn't need any help whatsoever. I originally thought I would need Jeremy's help getting the platform part in, but I put it together in the dining room, walked it in myself. It was so easy. So anyways, I highly recommend this bed. You can't store anything that goes above that crossbar there, so you can't really put big storage bins, Tupperware, stuff like that, but I think you're going to love how I use this storage space. And you could put shallow bins, so there's a plus. Now, a few of the things that I love about this bed is the upholstery. Now, you may not like the light color cream. It comes in other colors. You can Scotch guard it. I mean, it is going to be used as a kid's bed in our home, and so Scotch guard is our best friend. But I love how low it is. She's not scared of anything being under her bed. It has this amazing storage, and all of the corners and edges are soft because of the velvet upholstery. I'm not going to gouge my shins, which I'm super happy about. Now you can see this platform bed comes with these air gas lifts, which make the storage possible. Now, I didn't want to pay for hardwiring, and I didn't want to hardwire myself, so I found these really great simple black wall sconces. They're plug-in, and I just followed the instructions. I've done this before, and so it was pretty straightforward. I had to use anchors because I didn't screw them into a stud, which is fine. So once I got these in, of course you want to test and make sure a light bulb works before you do all the work. The only thing about plug-in sconces is the ugly cord, and so I just got these simple cord covers from Amazon, and they're super easy to install. There's a back half and a front half, and then you use this double-sided adhesive that it comes with. I slide it into place and then put the front on, and I of course want it to be straight, and I have astigmatism, so I have to use a level, make sure it's straight, press it on there, good to go. It comes with several feet of these cord covers, and so just use as many as you'd like. In the end, I decided to do a horizontal one to direct the cord to the bed because it was kind of driving me nuts. Otherwise, you can paint these. I used it in Quinn's old bedroom, and they just kind of take that glare off of a weird black cord dangling from your light. There's also a link to that end table that I built. It's a great design, love it. And I just used some of our old pillow shams, and I love these microfiber sheets from Target. Quinn picked them out. My favorite thing about making a bed is being able to layer a nice quilt and a comforter, and I just used 2 neutrals because Quinn loves this colorful throw. It's reversible, there's birds on it, it's super cute. We used the storage under the bed for Quinn's stuffy collection. It's quite extreme, and so it worked out perfect for us. Now here's the big reveal. She hadn't seen it for over a month, and she's noticing all the details. She absolutely loved it. So there's a little strap here, and you just grab onto it and then lift up. You do have to have some muscle. I don't know if she could do it, but I don't really want her playing in it or playing around, this bed, so that's fine with me. But there's her stuffy collection in all of its glory, and I love the symmetry of the bed, and just the soft edge of the platform bed is just so nice, and it's a fabulous bed. I absolutely love it. I don't hit my shins on hardwood corners anymore, so super bonus for me. And she loves having more space. We got this IKEA desk, put all her organizers in it, and got a few little things for her pin board. She loves flies and almost anything with wings, and so here is the final room. I still need to do something above the bed, so make sure you subscribe because I'm sure I'll put that project on here. But as you can see, the focal wall is definitely the shiplap with wallpaper and the elevated Billy bookcases kind of desk unit there. I just think it looks really nice and clean. It has all of her toys and bins, and there's her book collection. It's just a really nice place to keep all of her stuff. Okay, so that wraps up her bedroom makeover. I hope you enjoyed it and got inspiration and ideas. Be sure to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.